you going
I
at?
am going to the house.
Go na na.
Let me see, Daddy.
Where are you going?
Spain.
Huh? Huh? Where are you going?
We're gonna go home when Daddy go to Spain.
Daddy will go to
Spain, yes.
Oh, slow down, slow down. You can hit someone. Slowly, slow down. Okay, mabiyahe ako ngayon papuntang Barcelona, Spain at hinatid ako ni Gabriel at ni Marit. Ayan o, nag-i-enjoy na magtulak sa bagahe. Ah. Daming tao dito sa Suvarnabhumi, dito sa may Bangkok, Thailand. Sobrang daming tao paalis ng Bangkok at dun sa baba ang dami ring mga dumarating. So ganoon karami yung turista nila dito sa Thailand. Ayun. So iba't ibang lahi, iba't ibang mga lahi nandito. Gab, here na, nak. Here na. Sula na anak, suli ka ikaw. Sula na, here. I'll wait check in. Ha?
Spain is.
Yeah. Okay, so dito na tayo. Babay na agad. Ha?
I wanna pee-pee.
Abel, babay na.
Goodbye, Daddy. See you later.
Oh, see you in a week.
A week.
Okay.
1 week, Daddy.
1 week. I'm going to conference.
After 1 week, Daddy will come back here.
Okay, bye-bye.
Goodbye, Daddy.
Bye-bye si Mami. Mami is flying.
Untot mo.
Oh, gani. Oh, bye na. Oh, oh.
Bye, Daddy.
Oh, oh.
Ati-ati.
Huh? Bye-bye na. Oh, bye-bye na. Oh. Ha? Bye-bye na ka?
Bye, Daddy.
Oh, bye-bye na. I'm going up na, okay?
Bye, Daddy.
Okay, so alis muna tayo ng Bangkok at mabiyahe muna tayo ng medyo mahaba-haba ngayon. So yung flight ko ay nasa 23 hours. Bigiro ito. Kaya yan, babay Bangkok muna tayo. Alright, see you Spain.